Hello, future millionaires, and welcome back to the Wealth Reset 2050. Come and sit with us. Today, we're cutting through the noise because the 2026 Wealth Reset, the Fed's secret 2026 playbook, BTC, XRP, ADA, and HBAR, we've been talking about isn't just theory, it's hitting the streets. If you're not paying attention right now, you're going to be left behind. We've all heard the talk about a wealth reset, but in 2026, the Federal Reserve isn't just fighting crypto. They are integrating it. They aren't picking just one winner. They are building a new house, and they've chosen a specific set of tools to do it. If you've been holding these, the game just changed. First, let's look at Bitcoin. For years, the Fed called it a speculative game. Today, it's treated as digital gold. With the new strategic Bitcoin reserve of 2026, the Fed is essentially saying, we need an asset we cannot print. For you, this means Bitcoin has graduated. It's no longer a get-rich-quick coin. It's the anchor and the store of value for the entire new financial system. If Bitcoin is the vault where the wealth is stored. Pillar 2, XRP, the high-speed rail. Then XRP is the high-speed train moving that wealth between banks. The Fed's big problem has always been speed. In the old world, sending money across borders took days. In 2026, XRP is the bridge. When banks need to settle trillions of dollars in seconds, they aren't using the old systems, they're using the XRP ledger. It's not about retail hype anymore. It's about XRP being the world's liquidity solution. It is the engine room of global movement. And finally, we have Cardano ADA. While the others handle value and movement, Cardano is where the rules are written. The Fed needs a system that is mathematically secure and, more importantly, never crashes. Cardano's slow academic approach is finally paying off in 2026. It's being looked at for digital identity and governance, the secure contracts that make the new economy actually work. It's the safe house for the world's most important data. The new ad, Hedera, HBAR, the enterprise mirror. But there is a fourth piece to this puzzle that most gurus are ignoring. Hedera, HBAR. The secret sauce, HBAR and QN. But there is a fourth and fifth piece to this puzzle that most gurus are ignoring. First, Hedera, HBAR. If the Fed is building a new house, HBAR is the security system and the logbook. In 2026, the Fed uses Hedera for its consensus service. Why? Because it handles over 10,000 transactions per second with fixed fees. While the world stares at price charts, HBAR is quietly running the back end for the world's biggest brands. And finally, the most powerful of them all. Quant QN. Listen closely. Quant is the overledger. It is the software that connects all these different blockchains together. The Fed, the European Central Bank, and the IMF don't want to be locked into one chain. They need a way for Bitcoin to talk to XRP, and for XRP to talk to traditional bank systems. Quant is the glue of the entire global financial system. Without QNT, the 2026 reset cannot be fully connected. It is the king of interoperability. The 2026 wealth reset isn't a crash, it's a total upgrade. The Fed is moving from a system of paper and promises to a system of code, math, and truth. They are building the foundation, and Bitcoin, XRP, Stellar, Cardano, HBAR, and Quant are the builders. Are you still calling crypto a scam while the world changes this fast? This is the greatest transfer of wealth in history. Let me know which asset you're holding in the comments. Are you a BTC maximalist or an ISO 20022 believer? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Digital Wealth Flow 2050 for more 2026 updates. I'm Daniel, and I'll see you in the next deep dive.